front?
Yes.
Welcome, welcome. And where's everybody from?
LA.
Sounds remote.
Yes.
I've
So
worked in
far
LAX
away.
for 20 years, so I know that area. Okay, ready to go? They found the comfort zone in the corner there. Please remain seated at all times, keeping your hands on fixed feet inside the vehicle, and please supervise your children. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, thank you for recording the upcoming incident. Oh no. I got my own private dash cam here, folks. But I have to make sure that the horse is not coming. I guess we're gonna, this is a wall here. We gotta do, I'm good. Looking for the horse trolley. There's a bottleneck through here. Now this position, we have a cast member watching the walls. This position is called Wall-E. What position do you have today? Oh, I got Wally. Coming through, VIPs on board.
Yay.
I'm sorry, no autographs today. However, paparazzi feel free and take all the photos you like. So we have there's our Wall-E cast member there. And then see, because it's sort of a blind turn here, you don't want to. Here comes the trolley.
Oh wow, y'all pick up everything.
Yes, he's over there, but he's schmoozing with that girl. He's been focusing on his job. Schmoozing. Okay, here we go. This is just like about a month ago. A guest showed me on YouTube Market Street, San Francisco, 1906, 4 days before the earthquake. It was in black and white, of course. And it's just like this. Everybody's going every which way. Cars like this are doing U-turns. So if you get a chance, watch that. It's like a jaw dropper. Ooh, wow. They also have one in New York. But they add sound to it because, of course, it was silent film. They had the bells and the horns and the pop, 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 and the clip clop. It's really neat. So if you ever get a chance, watch that. It'll be a little car like this, all of a sudden does a U-turn in the middle of the street. Whoa, look out! People are going this way. It's really, really funny. Yeah, Market Street, San Francisco, 1906. Look it up. That's really interesting. I didn't even think they had motion picture cameras, you know, there's other crank. Okay, coming through here, folks. We are now entering Town Square. Are you folks done for the day or going across the way?
Oh, we're going to Goofy's Kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's over at
At the Disneyland Hotel.
the Disneyland Hotel. I remember when my son was little, we went there when he was 5.
I love it. We went there about 2 years ago. We went for dinner. So
Dang, that's right. My son will be 32. But they've been